Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the door spring on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we will need to pull the dishwasher at least part way out of the cabinets. So you may need to disconnect the inlet water supply if your lines are not long enough. You may also need to disconnect the drain hose if it's not long enough. And you will definitely need to disconnect the power to the dishwasher. So if your model uses a cord, simply unplug it. If not, locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker or remove the appropriate fuse. Then next, we'll disconnect the two mounting straps at the top of the dishwasher that secure it to the bottom of your countertop, and then we can pull the dishwasher out and do the repair. Now, with the dishwasher pulled out far enough that you can access the springs, we'll need to remove both the spring and the link from the door hinge. First of all, make sure that the door is latched shut, and then either lift off the link end or the bottom end from the adjuster. Remove the old spring. Inspect that link to make sure it's not damaged. And be sure to attach the spring in the same position that you removed the old one, with the pointed end going in towards the center of the dishwasher. And you should replace both left and right hand springs at the same time to ensure that you have even tension on your door. Check the operation of the door, as the spring tension may be different than the original, and adjust accordingly with the adjustable bracket on the base frame. Your door should not drop completely open, but it should be able to lay flat when you pull the bottom rack out. Once we've got it adjusted properly, we're ready to put the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Now, with the dishwasher pushed completely back into the cabinets, we've resecured it to the bottom of our countertop. If you disconnected your water line, you'll need to reconnect that and turn it on and make sure we have no leaks. If you've disconnected your drain hose, you'll want to reconnect that, and again, make sure that you have no leaks. We're now ready to reconnect the power, and your repair is complete.